The big disruption that's coming is to power utilities. There are trillions of dollars of bonds, of capex, of value sitting inside the energy generation infrastructure of the world that is going to go upside down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and your stock portfolios are skyrocketing. You're continuing to grow your accounts. Today we have another stock that I think you're going to want to add to your watch list or add to your portfolio, and that is a stock that Chamath Palihapitiya recently wrote a one-pager on, said he made one of his largest investments ever. It's an energy company, and it is a SPAC. And this SPAC just announced its merger. The SPAC is called RMG Acquisition Corporation 2, stock ticker symbol RMGB, and their merger with Renew Power. And this is India's largest clean energy company, and Chamath Palihapitiya recently came out on Twitter. He spoke about the company. He gave us a one-pager of everything you need to know about the stock, what's going on in India right now, what the margins are of the company, and this is really an exciting investment. Everyone knows about Chamath. Anything he invests in gets a lot of traction now. He's a big name in the investing space. But this company isn't just an idea, isn't just starting off in the clean energy space. No, they're already generating hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue every single year. They have an 83 to 85% margin on their revenue, which is absolutely unheard of, having about an 80 to 85% margin. So that means like if they make $1 billion in revenue, their EBITDA is going to be around $850 million. So that is absolutely unheard of. They're the largest in India. India is growing rapidly, and you're definitely going to want to stick around for this because the valuation right now is really, really attractive. So we're going to go over everything you need to know. But before we get started, if you enjoy this sort of content, then please be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and comment down below your thoughts on Renew Power and their merger with RMG Acquisition Corporation. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm an investor and entrepreneur. Last year, our public investing account on Patreon, which is currently sitting around $700,000, was up over 105% for 2020. This year, our goal is to get that account to $1 million, and we're well on our way to doing so. So if you'd like to see the investments I make in real time, when I buy a stock, when I sell a stock, I don't do it every day, but when I do, I let you guys know. If you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, access to our Discord, and if you want to be able to ask me any question about your portfolio and have me look at it, then make sure to join our group using the link down below. We have a great time talking about stocks, investments, business, and anything else you guys really want to do. So make sure to join that. We do have a limited number of spots. But anyways, today we're going to talk about a very exciting SPAC, one that just confirmed its merger, and that is Renew Power and their merger with stock ticker symbol RMGB. And Renew Power is India's largest clean energy company, and they're officially going to be going public. Chamath is taking part in an $855 million private investment in public equity to support the transaction, and other investors that are putting money into Renew Power include BlackRock, BNP Paribas Energy Transition Fund, a couple of other big names as well, Zimmer Partners and TT International Asset Management, and a number of other companies. So a lot of big companies behind that are backing this, that are putting money and believe in Renew Power. The deal is going to close in the second quarter of 2021, and it'll give Renew Power a valuation of about $8 billion. And this is actually a very attractive valuation right now in the clean energy space. Chamath Palihapitiya has come out many times in the past, and he has said how clean energy and renewable energy is going to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry. We're going to see the world's first trillionaire come from this space, and I think right now this company has a lot of potential to really capture a lot of that market share. And being only an $8 billion valuation right now, there is a lot of upside.
The big disruption that's coming is to power utilities. There are trillions of dollars of bonds, of capex, of value sitting inside the energy generation infrastructure of the world that is going to go upside down.
But anyways, according to Chamath's investment thesis, his one-pager which he released on Twitter, he explained how Renew Power is the largest utility-scale, pure-play, clean energy company in India. And he expects $300 billion to be invested in renewable energy, in renewable clean energy, over the next 10 years in India. And this company is leading the way for that. They are one of the major companies in India for clean energy right now. On Twitter, he said, excited to do the pipe in Renew Power as they merge with RMGB. Renew is India's largest clean energy company with scale in wind and solar. They're playing a huge role in one of the world's most populous countries to clean energy. And when you think about it, yeah, India is one of the most populous countries in the world, and it's going to be essential not only for them, but for countries all over the world to really push for clean energy, renewable resources, and this company is at the forefront of that. So before we get into this one-pager, what Renew Power does is, if you look at their website, they develop, build, own, and operate utility-scale wind and solar energy projects, as well as distributed solar energy projects that generate energy for commercial and industrial customers. It operates more than 100 utility-scale projects spread across 8 states in India, and in 10 years of operation, Renew projects have generated many jobs. They've helped out tens of thousands of people, and they're growing at a very fast rate. According to their SEC filing, which just came out the other day, it says that their revenue is growing at 30% per year, and they expect that to continue to grow at 30% per year until 2025. In addition to that, they say that in terms of EBITDA for fiscal year 2021, they expect $578 million, and the coming year, which is fiscal year 2022, they expect to end the year with $811 million of EBITDA. So they have an 83 to 85% margin. So basically, it's a very, very high margin business. They're doing a lot right, and the company projects that they'll be able to continue this high of margins for years to come. But anyways, a summary about this, about why Chamath at least likes Renew Power, likes this SPAC a lot, why he's invested in it, and why I really like it personally. I am going to be investing in it. I might have invested in it before this video, or depending on when the video is released, but I am going to be investing in this company. So India, we're going to go over his one-pager. India is going to be overtaking the EU as the world's third largest energy consumption country by 2030. And Renew Power is leading the way for that, especially in the renewable resource, renewable energy space. Right now, India needs 300 plus gigawatts of additional renewable capacity to meet clean energy targets of the country. And over this time, shares of solar and wind versus traditional power generation is projected to grow 3x from 9.5% to 28.3%. And there are already a number of proposed amendments to the Indian regulatory framework aimed at reforming power distribution sector, pushing more towards renewable resources, solar, wind, and other things that Renew Power already does. Renew Power is the largest pure-play clean energy company in India, and currently, it's not like they're just an idea. They already generate hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue, hundreds of millions of dollars in EBITDA every single year, and currently their asset mix is about 52% wind to 48% solar. What I like about them is that they're a vertically integrated company, and they do everything in-house, which, some people could say, well, that maybe could hurt them. But in my opinion, if they do everything in-house, they continue to grow and expand, then they could achieve economies of scale in all the aspects of their business, and they'll be a clear dominant player. It's like an Apple or a Tesla. Tesla does everything themselves. Apple does a lot themselves as well. But like, if you look at Tesla, they do everything themselves, and this company is going to be doing the same thing. They're keeping everything in-house, and that's going to really help out long term. That's going to help with their margins. That's why they think they can keep such high margins. In addition to all this, when looking at their contracts, how they generate revenue, 93% of Renew Power's contracts are 20 to 25 year contracts. That means every time they sign a deal, Really, this is going to be recurring revenue for them for 20 to 25 years. And only 7% of their contracts are 8 to 20-year contracts. So really, anytime they sign a deal, that is going to guarantee them revenue for the next 20 to 25 years. And that is going to be absolutely huge for them moving forward. For that reason, already generating about $600 million in revenue, and having such high margins, and having these long-term contracts, and the industry growing, and renewable resources being a major point of focus for countries all across the world. That's why I really like Renew Power, and stock ticker symbol RMGB. They're only at $11.72 per share right now, about a 7.8 to $8 billion valuation. I don't think a lot of people have heard about this yet, and once they do, I think we're definitely going to see this skyrocket from where it is. One, because Chamath is behind it. Anything Chamath is behind, we see really do extremely well as of recently. But that's not the only reason. There's many other reasons why this company will do well, but just in the short term, I think we're definitely going to see this have potential to easily go up 30 to 40% in the next couple of weeks once people start really realizing it and it gets in the minds of more investors. But anyways, let me know your thoughts on RMGB, what Chamath has to say about Renew Power and this merger. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.